Myself Vishwas. I am studying the first year engineering in AID's branch. So today we have designed a project for which we have named BELEKARE, and this project is mainly for automated regulation of water in the water pump and the overhead water tank. What we have designed is an automated version of the same water pump. Here what happens is current passes through the same circuit, and then the motor pumps the water into the overhead tank. But here, by the use of ICs and relay modules, we have automated the process. Like just after the probe here we have located a probe over here and in the lower part of the tank. So what happens is when water transfers from the downward water storage from there the water transfers to the overhead tank, and when the water reaches the higher probe, the circuit is cut, which means the motor stops pumping water. This process is very helpful because in many residential areas there is a lot of wastage of water. So in order to reduce that wastage, we have built this project, and whenever the water level goes low and reaches this lower probe located somewhere around here, then the water pump automatically turns on and then it pumps the water in. And you might also think that it might turn on unnecessarily and damage the motor. It does not happen in this case. Here we have also included another stuff to reduce the, whenever water reaches the lower part of the well, then the motor completely shuts down. Like for example, say this is the level we have marked, and if water reaches below this level, the circuit cuts. No matter how low the overhead tank is, the circuit does not connect again, and it should remain the same way. In this way, we can even protect the motor, and also we can reduce the water wastage. At the same time, power consumption is reduced. Now let us see the practical demonstration of this project. For this, I have my volunteer over here. So what I should do is, now I should pour this water into this well. Now water automatically pumps into this one. Right. So now water level has reached above this point. So now it starts pumping water. After a while, when the water level reaches down, the circuit cuts off and it stops flowing water. Yeah. Now as you can see, the water level has reached down, and now it stops pumping water into it, which also saves the motor. And also at the top, now I can fill it till the top and show. And also whenever the circuit is connected and the water is flowing, then you can see the small LED over here. This indicates that the circuit is in a closed loop and current is passing through the circuit and the function is being performed. So let's add some more water. And now it stopped flowing water into it. So this shows that whenever the upper probe is touched, the circuit breaks, and whenever the lower probe is touched, the circuit again reconnects. So in this way, we have automated the entire process, and this somehow conserves water usage, conserves the power consumption, and also helps in, whenever a human does it, it usually takes around 20 to 45 minutes for the entire process. And that time is actually a waste of time for anyone working or for any corporate professionals. It's a waste of time. But now that person can use it into his works or into something productive. So this enhances his productivity and overall well-being of his. So that's what I wanted to say. Thank you.